Hey Pro Bono Australia crew, it's Claire Desira here. I hope you're well. Back with another video, a mindset hack for you this week. When I'm not making these videos, I head up a training organisation called the Top 5 Movement, and we create really accessible tools to support organisations to shift the dial on their mental health, resilience, leadership, and therefore their impact. This week I wanted to talk to you about evidence. And sometimes when we're making change, things can stay in our heads rather than in action, and we can be really hopeful about change or really excited about making change, and we spend the time on those goals thinking about them, not actually taking any action. And so I wanted to ask you today, what's one of the goals you're working on? And if I asked you to show me the evidence in your calendar, could you show me where you've actually been working on this goal? Particularly when we're working on things like changing jobs or changing career or exploring a new path, there can be no end to that work, or it can also feel really massive and like we're not really sure where to start. And so positive thinking is not enough. And so it's really important that we kind of match that hope with actual booked in time in our diaries. Now, I want to jump back here to one of the most popular videos from our first series, and that was a video around a technique called the Pomodoro technique. And that's simply booking in 25 minutes of time to make a start on those tasks that we've either maybe been procrastinating about or we know are super important for our future. So book in 25 minutes, get started, and I find that after that 25 minutes, what happens is either I'm so into the task, maybe realize that it's not as hard as I thought it was, or it's actually even enjoyable, or I've actually got it done within 25 minutes. So go back, have a look at your calendar, see if you can find the evidence of the time that it might take to support those goals. And if not, then go and book some time in for next week to actually move some of those goals forward. Have some fun with it. Thanks.